If you're like me, you've probably noticed how much time we all spend staring at screens, whether it's your computer, your phone, or even the TV. It's no wonder so many of us are dealing with eye strain, blurry vision, and just overall tired eyes. And let's be honest, wearing glasses all the time can feel like a hassle. But what if I told you that there are some simple, natural remedies that you can do at home to improve your eyesight without having to rely on your glasses or contact lenses? Whether you're dealing with digital eye strain, age-related vision decline, or just want to take better care of your eyes more holistically, this video is for you. These tips are easy, non-invasive, and natural, so stick around to see which ones work best for you. Remedy 1. Warm Compress Eye Therapy. Let's start with a warm compress. This is one of the simplest and most effective ways to relax your eye muscles and improve blood circulation around your eyes. Here's what you do. Soak a soft towel in warm water, wring out the excess, and place it gently over your closed eyes for about 10 minutes. Do this once or twice a day to relieve eye strain, especially if you spend long hours in front of screens. Remedy 2. Aloe Vera Eye Drops for Soothing Eyes. Next up, we have aloe vera. Yes, this amazing plant isn't just for your skin, it can help your eyes too. Extract the gel from fresh aloe vera, dilute it with a bit of water, and apply a few drops near the eyes. Make sure not directly into the eyes though. Aloe vera can soothe irritated eyes and help hydrate them, especially if you experience dryness after long screen sessions. Remedy 3. Eye Massage with Essential Oils. Now, let's talk about eye massages. This is something you can easily do at home using natural oils like castor oil or coconut oil. Massaging around your eyes improves circulation, helps reduce puffiness, and can relieve tension caused by eye strain. Here's how. Rub a few drops of oil between your fingers and gently massage the area around your eyes in circular motions for about 5 minutes. This is especially beneficial if you're dealing with digital eye strain or tired eyes. Remedy 4. Palming Technique for Eye Relaxation. One of my favorite techniques for relieving eye stress is the palming method. This is great if you've been staring at a screen all day or just need a quick way to relax your eyes. Rub your palms together to warm them up, then gently place them over your closed eyes without pressing. Sit like this for 2 to 3 minutes. It's a simple but incredibly effective way to give your eyes a break and help them recover from strain. Remedy 5. Herbal Teas for Eye Health. Lastly, let's not forget the power of herbal teas like bilberry or chamomile. These herbs are packed with antioxidants that can support eye health from the inside out. Bilberry, in particular, is known for boosting blood circulation to the eyes and improving night vision. Chamomile is soothing and can help reduce inflammation. Enjoy a cup of these teas daily to give your eyes the necessary nutrients. Alright, that's it for today's video. Remember, consistency is key. Try these remedies and let me know which ones work best for you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more natural health tips, and don't forget to share your experience in the comments below.